You are going to love the 2019 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, roof rails, daytime running lamps, traction control, steering wheel controls, keyless start, cruise control, power outlet. Elevate your status and command attention with this sleek and stylish car.